Stop scrolling for a moment. Let me ask you a simple question. If someone walks up to you and says, "Hi, can you introduce yourself in English?" What would you say? Many people understand English, but when it's time to speak, they suddenly feel nervous.
Yes, that's very common. You might know the words, but you don't know how to start. But today, we are going to change that.
In this podcast, we will teach you how to introduce yourself in English, step by step. By the end of this episode, you will be able to introduce yourself clearly and confidently. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us.
Part 1. Why introducing yourself matters.
Let's begin with a simple question. Why is introducing yourself important? Because the first thing people usually ask when they meet you is, "Who are you?" Your introduction tells people about you.
Exactly. Your introduction is like the first impression. Whether it's in a classroom, a job interview, a meeting, or new friendship, people want to know a little about you. A clear introduction shows that you are confident and polite.
Part 2. The simple 5-step formula.
Now, let's learn a very simple formula. You only need 5 easy steps to introduce yourself. 1. Your name. 2. Where you're from. 3. What you do. 4. Your interests or hobbies. 5. A polite ending.
The good news is that you don't need complicated English. Simple and clear sentences are perfect. Part 3. Say your name. The first step is saying your name. You can say, "Hello, my name is Amelia," or "Hi, I'm Amelia."
Both are correct and natural. If you want to sound more friendly, you can say, "Hi everyone, my name is Sunny."
Part 4. Say where you are from.
Next, tell people where you are from. Example, I am from Bangladesh, or I come from Bangladesh.
You can also say your city. Example, I am from Dhaka. This helps people understand more about you.
Part 5. Say what you do.
Now tell people what you do. For example, I am a student. I am a teacher. I work as a doctor. I am learning English.
This part is very important because it tells people about your daily life.
Part 6. Talk about your interests.
After that, talk about something you enjoy. Example, I like learning English. I enjoy reading books. I love watching movies. I like playing football.
This part makes your introduction more interesting and personal.
Part 7. Finish politely.
Finally, end your introduction politely. For example, nice to meet you. Thank you for listening.
A polite ending always leaves a good impression.
Part 8. Full introduction example.
Now, let's put everything together. Hello, my name is Sunny. I am from Bangladesh. I am a student. I enjoy learning English and watching movies. Nice to meet you.
That's a perfect and simple introduction.
Part 9. Real-life situations.
Let's talk about different situations where you might introduce yourself. In a classroom.
Example. Hello, everyone. My name is Sunny. I'm from Bangladesh, and I am a student in this class.
In a job interview. Example, hello, my name is Amelia. I am from Bangladesh and I recently graduated from university.
Part 10. Practice together.
Now it's time to practice. Repeat after us. Hello, my name is...
I'm from...
I am a...
I like...
Nice to meet you.
Part 11. Confidence tips.
Here are 3 tips to sound confident. Tip number 1, speak slowly. Tip number 2, smile while speaking. Tip number 3, practice every day.
Confidence grows with practice. Don't worry about mistakes.
Part 12, common beginner mistakes.
Many beginners make a mistake. They try to use very difficult words.
But remember, simple English is powerful. Clear communication is more important than complicated vocabulary.
Part 13, 7-Day Practice Challenge.
Here is a challenge for you. Practice your English introduction every day for 7 days. Record your voice.
Then listen to your recording and try to improve. After 1 week, you will notice a big difference.
Final motivation.
Remember something important. Every fluent English speaker started as a beginner.
The secret is simple. Practice, practice, practice. Now it's your turn. Write your English introduction in the comments.
And practice speaking English every day with us.
Follow for more daily English podcast.
See you in the next episode. Bye.